a new day, Tuesday. I'm thinking maybe I can kind of structure these videos so I do like a call a day. I think it's gonna make it easier for me, not only filming, not having to film all day long, every different call, but it'll give you different snippets of the whole week. So today I'm going to an oil tank. Let's go get this done. So also I've posted my Instagram stories about what I do to try to save money being in the trade. You can end up spending a lot of money out. I used to be the guy buying coffee every single day, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, what have you. But I kind of get out of the habit of going there and doing that whole thing. And I make iced coffee at home with my Ninja coffee maker. So it saves a lot of money in the long run. If you add it up over a whole year and you bring your coffee, it's actually a big difference. Even a bigger difference is lunch. So if you can manage to bring your own lunch, that's gonna make a massive difference in your money saving abilities. I had to learn the hard way. My fiance is actually a very good saver. She helped me out a lot in getting to the point where I don't buy lunch out every day. And right now it's convenient because I'm right near home, so I can actually cook fresh meals for lunch every day. I know in this trade, most of us do not have that convenience, and that's only if I'm around. So there is times I'm out of town, too far, and I'll still grab something, but there is ways to save money. You don't have to buy out every day, but I know it can be difficult and it's not an easy thing to structure in this trade. So rolling up to this job soon, and we're gonna be doing this oil tank, so come check it out. Setting up the rigid 300. And some pipe threading.
The pump. Let's say you train your biceps. Blood is rushing into your muscles, and that's what we call the pump.
This is the attachment.
This is a master plan here this morning, right? Huh?
So, instead of using the threading pump, this is my preference. Threading oil in a can. All right, guys, so this is what the 300 threader looks like all set up. You have your cutter, your threading dies, and this pulls it in and out. Foot pedal. So in the trade, you got to make a lot of tough decisions, like which tape measure am I going to use today? I'm going to go with the classic. Do about 20. These things are so good.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. I never built a wall, shut it all down. But now it's even made of concrete. This part, so cold life.
Alright guys, today's going really good. Getting towards the end here. I need to cut some conduit to sleeve the oil line because it's actually going through a walking path. So we always put conduit over the oil line just to protect the oil line basically. Let's cut some.
So cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately,
guys, we are all set here.
I feel like you've watched all the things.
Piped up, good to go. Ran my oil line down the conduit, so when people step on it, they won't hurt the oil line. But yeah, this job went good. A little tough, but oil tanks always are. Nothing too crazy.
Need a light for the ideas. I'm in the splash zone with the brain waves. I shoot for stars up and my aim is straight. I lay in the sand line in the Palisades. I'm Alec Baldwin with the angry face. I'm Christian Bale with the black on black. And fuck these thoughts, I'd rather save the day. Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
Alright guys, I hope you really enjoyed today's video. I was saying earlier that I'm going to go through and try to do a job of every day of my workday, and I just don't think that's going to be feasible. I think it's going to be too much content, so I don't want to, like I said before, I don't want to bore you guys. After filming as much as I did today, I think it's going to be good to have about 2 jobs like that, unless I'm doing quick service calls. So on installs, maybe like 2 jobs or 1 even, and try to show you more in detail of what I'm doing and not just have useless content, you know? I want the content I make, I do want to have an impact, and I do want to teach you something. So if you have never worked on oil before, like today I was doing an oil tank, I hope you can pick something up if you ever do that kind of work, or even if you're somebody that wants to do your own oil tank, maybe you can see how something's done on my channel here and you can get some advice even for non-tradespeople. But I do aim to teach younger guys in the trade, or people that may have interest in the trade and are interested in this lifestyle, I guess, this job, career path, you know. I think it's a great one, and I think we need to, us younger guys, I'm 29 years old, but I think we need to do our part, and there is a few guys out there that are really killing it and just promoting this trade and putting it in a positive light. And we have all these platforms like YouTube, Instagram these days. Let's bring the trades back, let's make it cool again, and you know, let's erase all those stigmas, like the slob, they're all alcoholics. Forget all that stuff, man. I'm not an alcoholic. I've been in this trade for 10 years. I don't do drugs. I'm just a, you know, your normal guy. I like the gym, obviously. I like to lift weights. You know, that's my thing when I'm not working. But I'm very dedicated to this trade. Tools, I'm into it. I'm always researching and trying to learn more to better myself, not only for the company that I work for now, but wherever this trade takes me in the future. So right now I'm headed to my air conditioning class. So I've been around AC for like the 10-year span here. I've been in the trade. I've worked on it. I've worked with guys on it. I'm familiar with it. I'm not a master or expert on air conditioning, but I am, in my state, there's no AC license. So what I'm going for is this 3-month class, and it's just to get your EPA. It does have a basically it's split into a classroom and the lab portion. So you do have classwork and you do have hands-on work with your gauges, you know, vacuum pump, micron gauge, all this stuff, you know, PT charts. It's kind of an old school. They're teaching it old school. We don't have, our teacher has digital gauges, but they recommend, you know, you learn on the analog style and everything. Like I said, I've done air conditioning. We do a ton of mini splits, split systems, residential, rooftops, light commercial. But anyway, I have an hour and 15 drive ahead of me. I'm headed to Manchester, New Hampshire, and I live in Keene. So I have this ride a lot of times on these rides. Another thing, guys, if you are in the trade, we are commuting all the time. We are always, not even like, I'm headed to class right now, but not even that. We are driving from job to job. What I like to do, I do listen to music. I'm into a lot of different kinds of music, rap, country, rock, whatever. I like a lot of different stuff, pop, R&B, I'm all over the place. But when I'm not listening to music, I like to listen to podcasts, because podcasts are going to usually teach you something. For fitness, I would recommend Mind Pump if you guys are into podcasts, and HVAC, there's a lot of them. HVAC Reefer Guy, HVAC Know-It-All. What other ones? HVAC School has a lot of good info. He's a residential guy. But anyways, guys, yeah, try to learn something. If not podcast, I also do audiobooks. So Audible, I don't have a subscription right now, but I'll go through phases and I'll listen to all kinds of audiobooks and try to further my knowledge, not only about the trade, but your mindset. Your mindset, that's going to develop your perseverance and a lot of self-help kind of stuff. I'm really interested in that stuff because I don't want to just better my career. I want to better my life overall. It'd be, honestly, guys, I'm an introvert. Like, it takes a lot for me, a lot of courage to start this channel. So I really appreciate you guys following along and just showing me the support you have so far. It means a lot to me. But anyway, guys, I'm off to class. I will catch you in the next video. Peace.
Tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of band's coupe with the tent plan. I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents, but my circle tight like we glue.